So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. And there is your model number and serial number. You can go over to bradfordwhite.com and fill in this information for them, get your warranty going on it. Anyway, starting at the top of the water heater, we gave you new shutoff valves. Only one is required on the cold side. Hot's not required, but a lot of times we'll put a second one on just so we can shut the waters down and get the water back onto the home and not worry about water bleeding out the hot side. So 2 new valves. You have copper plumbing in the home, which is great. Copper stubbed out, so we just soldered on 2 new adapters. Give you two new quarter turn ball valves. So you just quarter turn off, quarter turn on, all good. If you ever have to work on this water heater, it's nice because you can just shut off hot and cold, isolates the whole home, and you can do what you need to do. From there, we go to solid brass and stainless steel. So these flow very well. No iron pipe in our installations. Comes down to a little brass coupling and nipple. And then these are Falcon stainless steel, full 3/4 inch inside diameter. They're the largest in the industry. Also the most expensive, but that's what we like. That's what we use. So both sides are the same. Falcon stainless steel connector down to brass extension. So you're all good there. Venting, we gave you some new adjustable 90s. Some new pipe, got you tied back into your venting up there, so that's good. Relief valve comes with the unit, so this is pressure relief, which is temperature and or pressure. And so anything goes on with this unit, this thing will pop off and go out this line. So we just gave you a little piece of copper there, stubbed it back up into the Falcon stainless steel connector. Keeping in mind these are full 3/4 inch inside diameter. That's why we leave the tag on here. 3/4 inch, that's required to have a full 3/4 inch opening, and it is. So that's good. Adjustable straps on the upper third, adjustable straps on the lower third. Brand new gas valve there. We always like to put one on, and then a gas connector, and then over to the controller. Those are all the parts that we tell you to be replaced. And it's about $100 in material, but now we're pretty confident that our installation is going to be great. We've had instances where someone didn't want us to do any extra work, so we left the old valve up there. It began to drip, and then it dripped on top of the tank. It rolled down to the bottom, up and underneath, got into the burner assembly, and destroyed a brand new water heater. And the valve's 15 bucks, 15, 20 bucks. And so that wasn't worth it. Anyways, down here, it is lit. You can see right here scalding and risk increases with hotter water. So right now we are at hot 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We don't recommend turning it up unless you have a soaking tub in the master bath that's like a 60, 70, 80 gallon tub back there. Then you can, if you want, turn this up to B. And what that'll do is it'll send hotter water, 140 degree water there, which means you won't have to mix this cold water in. So this water heater, which is a 50 gallon, it'll feel more like a 65 gallon if you do that. But be mindful of that right there. Scalding risk increases with hotter water. EPA says 120. The Environmental Protection Agency, the CDC, says 140 to avoid bacteria growth in the tank. So you can decide what you want. We have to leave it there for liability purposes. So anyways, burner's lit, and should have hot water in a couple hours. Outside of that, this installation is done.